Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this 2-pack of Nissan. It's a premium one and it has got a Nissan 180 SX Type X and the other one is Nissan Sileighty. Sileighty, I never heard about this before, but when I googled it, it just showed that some of the Japanese tuners, they mixed Silvia and 180 to create this. So that's why you will see the front is different from the 180, but the rear is almost like the same of that. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So both the cars are out of its box, but let's start with the 96 180 SX first. So here it is. To move this out of the picture. So this 180 SX is finished in black with golden wheels. And they look really good. This is a premium casting, so you have a metal base. The black paint looks really good, and up front there are some nice details. You can see the Nissan badge there. Those flip-up headlamps, they look good. These are fog lamps, I guess. And you can also see the. I'm not sure why it's done in chrome, but you can see there is a grill or vent. It's slightly modified, as you can see with the wing there. It misses out on the mirrors. I don't know why, but it does. Surprisingly, it has some good details in the back too. Not surprisingly, it's a premium, so it should have. Yeah. So you got detailed tail lamp, 180 SX written in there. You also got the Nissan badge. You got the big spoiler. I don't know if that's a windshield wiper or something else. I'm not sure. See this piece. Twin exhaust at the bottom. Passenger side. You can see body kit. Rubber wheels because it's premium. Driver's side. You can see body kit. You also got the fuel filler cap here. Interior is done in black. Nothing special to talk about there. And this is how the base looks. So it reads 2015 metal. So basically they did have that's why it doesn't have mirrors, because it's been done such a long time ago. Older Hot Wheels, I don't think most of them don't have mirrors. So this is the 180 SX. Now let's move to the Sileighty. So this car doesn't officially exist in Nissan's portfolio, but some tuners made it. That's why, if you see up front, it reads Silvia. Let me focus onto that. There you go. It reads Silvia there. But if you go to back, it reads 180 SX. So it's a mix of Silvia and 180. That's why Sileighty. Now let's go to the details up front. As we saw, it's got good details, detailed headlamp, detailed grille, turn indicators, blower grill, everything is nicely detailed. Also gets the mirror, so I'm assuming it's a newer casting compared to the 180 SX we saw before. Blue wheels, looks alright. It's a JDM car, tuner's car, so I do like how this black details goes on here for the doors. Kind of make it looks like a floating roof. Even this one has a body kit, and this reads Rays. Might be the tuner, I guess. Big spoiler in the back. Again, nice details. You've got the detailed tail lamp, stop lamp, exhaust, and the number plate reads Sileighty. Now coming to the driver's side. Looks almost identical. Only difference being the fuel filler cap. There's slight bulge in the hood too. Coming to the bottom. Yes, it's a 2023 metal, so it's a newer one compared to the one we saw. That's why it has got the mirrors. Rubber tires, obviously, because of the premium. Overall, looks really good, really nice, and it's a nice casting. And I think the set makes, it's a good addition if you want to have the set. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.